We use it to coat cars, build smartphones, and even sprinkle it on certain cuts of meat. Whenever people want to increase the value of an object, they almost always turn to the same material, gold. And with the COVID-19 crisis, its price has reached unprecedented heights. The last time we looked at the price of gold, this 1 kilo ingot cost around $61,000. So why is this 3.8 billion-year-old metal so expensive? To begin with, what exactly is gold? Well, it's a noble metal. In other words, it doesn't oxidize or alter and is resistant to water, air, and most acids. According to researchers, gold was formed in space several billion years ago before landing on our planet in a meteor shower. But even today, its origin is still a matter of debate among scientists. What we know for sure, however, is that gold can be found all over the globe, even in your own backyard, although the quantities are probably quite small. Gold has been mined since around 5000 BC and has fascinated mankind ever since its discovery. It was first used as a kind of sacred metal for religious objects and amulets. Then, over the centuries, gold began to be used as a currency of exchange. And at the end of World War II, with the Bretton Woods Agreement, the major nations agreed to freeze the exchange rate between the dollar and gold. Although this arrangement came to an end in 1971, gold is now firmly established in the global economy as a safe haven asset. In the end, it was we humans who gave this metal its power and hence its high price. But apart from that, is gold really useful? According to the World Gold Council, 46% of gold mined to date, around 96,000 tons, is used in jewelry. A further 15% is used in various industries. Gold is found in medical devices such as dentures, but also in electronic products like our smartphones. And gold is increasingly being considered for use in nanotechnology. But what about the other 39%? Well, not much. This gold has been melted down to make ingots or coins, which are sitting peacefully in vaults all over the world. Why? Well, to prepare against a possible crisis. But all this gold mining is not without danger for the environment. It generates toxic waste that can pollute soil and rivers. And this is exactly what's happening all over the world, like in France with the former Salsigne mine in the Aude region, one of the country's most polluted sites. Despite these environmental and health consequences, global demand for gold remains strong. But stocks are only decreasing. Around 209,000 tons of gold have been extracted since mining began, while the remaining exploitable underground reserves are estimated at 52,000 tons. But why is gold so scarce? Firstly, because gold is not a renewable resource. Secondly, a gold deposit takes several million years to form. And thirdly, 1 ton of rock has to be extracted to recover around 3 grams of gold. Industrialists are therefore thinking about digging for gold at the bottom of the oceans. NASA, meanwhile, is considering recovering gold directly from asteroids in space. If these avenues are not pursued and current production levels are maintained, there should be no more gold to extract in 20 years' time. Gold could become even rarer and therefore even more expensive.